Welcome to our channel DIY Craft. Today's video is about DIY unicorn accessories. Number 1. DIY pen holder. Cover a box with white color sheet and paste unicorn ears and horn. Let's have a look and then draw a unicorn eyes and mouth. Now it is ready and looking very beautiful. Number 2. DIY unicorn pencil. So for it, first of all make a rough unicorn on a white sheet and then color it. It's done, and then paste a circle of your pencil size. Apply glue on your pencil and then paste sheet. Apply glue inside the hole and then fix it like this. And it's done. You can also draw some stars. And now it is ready with its great looks. Number 3. DIY unicorn book cover. So for it, you can cover your book with white sheet, then draw eyes and mouth of unicorn, paste unicorn horn and ears, decorate it more with colorful ears and beads. And now it is ready. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and comment down below.